Kalahating araw na pagwo-workout. Kilo-kilometrong pagtakbo at pagbisikleta. Recipe sa pagpayat, di ba? Pero ayon sa isang fitness expert, posibleng hindi masyadong magbago ang figure mo sa ganitong routine. Paliwanag niya, kapag mahaba pero low intensity ang exercise, tumatagal ang epekto ng hormone na cortisol at nailalagay ang katawan sa catabolic phase. Ibig sabihin, sa muscle kumukuha ng enerhiya ang katawan.
The longer the stress hormones natin, ang tendency niya, instead of using more fat, isa rin yung kanyang reaction niya is to store the fat and use up the muscle na lang.
Ang mas mainam daw ang mabilisan pero high-intensity workouts. Inilalagay kasi nito ang katawan sa anaerobic phase kung saan naglalabas ng muscle-building hormones sa katawan pangontra sa epekto ng cortisol.
Yung mga anabolic hormones na yan, those are the ones that mobilizes your fats, talagang really increase your calorie burn.
Isang halimbawa nito ang turbulence training. Pinaghalo itong circuit, TRX at pure motion training. Kabilang dito ang modified push-up.
You push and you exhale up. Exhale, very good. Siguro mga 10 times.
Renegade.
Push. And back. Keep it close to the body, that's it. Oh, medyo intermediate to advanced na to. Sige, so far you're doing well.
At row.
And you start from the ground and pull yourself. Open up the legs a bit, sir. Okay. And then you pull up. Nice. Keep it close to the body. Maganda siya kasi marami siyang station. So, nasa-challenge mo yung body mo.
At kahit nasa bahay ka, pwede mong gawin ang mga workout na ito.
Yung tendency to increase or warm the body in preparation to a higher intensity demand, no? Tsaka yung oxygen requirement mo. Then you stop, then you step up again, step up, back to step up. Yan lang. Oh. Tendency, ganun pa rin. Nagka-calisthenics ka, you're preparing your body. Crawl forward ulit. And then you push. And then you crawl backward, good for the shoulder. And then you crawl forward again. So this one challenges your core stability and also upper back strength. So you're just gonna do pulling on this action. Yan lang. Ganun lang siya. Keep it close to the body.
Importante rin daw ang oras ng ehersisyo at tamang nutrisyon.
So mas maganda sa morning ka mag-train. Oo.
Bakit morning?
Oo. Wherein sa hormones natin, upregulated siya sa morning. You switch on your body. And then even after the training mo, the whole day, you're still burning calories.
Dano Tingkong, Nakatutok, 24 oras.